Pour condensed milk on the banana. Make dessert in a few minutes. I'm using about 6 bananas depending on their size. Now we'll cut them in half. Then peel them and cut them again. Repeat with the rest of the bananas. Add a little sugar to the bottom of a serving dish. Then add the banana slices. Spread half a carton of condensed milk over the top. I'll also add a little cinnamon depending on your taste. Bake at 130 degrees for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add some whipped cream and beat it until stiff. Transfer the whipped cream to a piping tip and add it to the top of the dessert. I'm going to finish it off with a little more cinnamon. Now just cut it and enjoy. Look at how amazing this dessert is. So quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.